Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Cadillac XT5 in Harbor Blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 80338.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.